Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about how to make yes-no questions in Chinese. So there are two ways to make yes-no questions in Chinese. The first one is by using ma. Ma is a particle for making questions. And the second one is by using verb bu, verb. And remember, these two verbs are the same verbs. Now let's start with the first one. So when we use the particle ma for making yes-no questions, we just need to add the particle in the end of a sentence. So the structure is gonna be subject, verb, object, and then plus ma. For example, 你喜欢喝茶吗? This sentence means, do you like drinking tea? And you can answer this sentence with 喜欢 if you like drinking tea, or 不喜欢 if you don't like it. The next sentence is 你是医生吗? Which means, are you a doctor? And you can answer it with 是 or 是的 if you are a doctor. And if you are not a doctor, you can say 不是. The last one is 你吃肉吗? 肉 is meat. So 你吃肉吗 means, do you eat meat? And you can answer it with 我吃肉. Or if you don't eat meat, you can say 我不吃肉. For this one, you can also answer it like 我是医生 or 我不是医生. It doesn't matter if you answer it shortly or with the whole sentence. Now let's learn the second way to make yes-no questions in Chinese with verb bu, verb. So the structure is subject, verb, bu, and then plus verb, and then plus object. For example, 你是不是学生? The sentence means, are you a student? It means like, are you or are you not? 你是不是学生? So we can answer these questions with 是 or 不是. The next sentence is 他喜不喜欢喝酒? It is a little bit different here because this word contains two syllables, right? 喜欢. So we just need to repeat the first syllable, 喜. So instead of saying it like 他喜欢不喜欢喝酒, we can make it shorter by only repeating the first syllable. 他喜不喜欢喝酒? This sentence means, does he like drinking alcohol? And the same like before, we can answer it with 喜欢 if he likes it, or 不喜欢 if he doesn't like it. The last one is 你吃不吃米饭? Which means, do you eat rice? And if you eat rice, you can say 我吃. And if you don't want to eat rice, you can say 我不吃. So before we finish today's class, let's review some of the new vocabularies that we learned today. 喜欢喝吃茶酒肉米饭学生医生 So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!